understanding allergies and how to manage them. Imagine living with a condition that turns harmless substances into threats. This is the daily reality for millions dealing with allergies. Allergies occur when the immune system overreacts to substances like pollen, dust, or certain foods. In the United States alone, over 50 million people face this challenge every year. Today we'll explore the causes of allergies, how to recognize them, and ways to manage them naturally and medically. Understanding this common condition can transform your life, helping you breathe easier, enjoy your favorite foods, and embrace every season with confidence. Allergies begin with the immune system, which normally protects us from harmful invaders. However, in some cases, it mistakenly identifies harmless substances as dangerous. In response, it releases histamine and other chemicals, causing the classic symptoms we associate with allergies. What are these triggers? Environmental allergens like pollen from trees and grasses, mold spores, dust mites, and pet dander are frequent culprits. Food allergens such as peanuts, shellfish, eggs, and dairy can provoke serious reactions. Other triggers include insect stings, medications, and materials like latex. Your risk of developing allergies increases if they run in your family. Similarly, prolonged exposure to allergens can heighten sensitivity, leading to stronger reactions over time. Identifying symptoms early is crucial for effective management. Allergies manifest in different ways. Respiratory symptoms include sneezing, a runny nose, nasal congestion, and itchy eyes or throat. Skin reactions like hives, eczema, or swelling may occur after exposure. Digestive issues such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea often signal food allergies. Severe cases can lead to anaphylaxis, a life-threatening reaction that requires immediate medical attention. Understanding these symptoms can help you act quickly and prevent complications. Nature offers several ways to reduce allergy symptoms and improve your quality of life. Reduce exposure by keeping windows closed during pollen-heavy seasons, using air purifiers, and regularly cleaning your living spaces. Support your body with a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and omega-3 fatty acids. Natural remedies can soothe symptoms. A saline nasal rinse helps clear allergens from your nasal passages. Herbal teas like peppermint or chamomile can ease mild respiratory discomfort. Local honey, when used consistently, might build your tolerance to local pollen. Lifestyle adjustments make a difference. Regular exercise strengthens the immune system. Breathing exercises and stress management reduce allergy-related flare-ups. Medical approaches to allergy management. While natural methods are helpful, some situations require medical intervention. Over-the-counter medications. Antihistamines effectively reduce sneezing, itching, and other symptoms. Decongestants provide relief from nasal blockage. Prescription treatments. Allergy shots or immunotherapy can train your immune system to tolerate allergens. Epinephrine injectors are life-saving tools for those prone to severe reactions like anaphylaxis. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice and allergy testing. Knowing your triggers is the first step to effective treatment. Allergies, though common, don't have to disrupt your life. By understanding their causes, recognizing symptoms, and adopting a balanced approach to management, you can take control. Combine natural remedies with medical treatments when necessary, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Remember, with the right strategies, you can lead a life that's not limited by allergies. Let's take the steps today to ensure a healthier, more comfortable tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.